Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be playing some fireworks mania. I don't know why I was saying Minecraft. So happy New Year's, y'all. Okay. Happy New Year's to everybody. Sorry I haven't been posting. I've just been really busy, and I know this one's gonna be late. So sorry, but okay. I guess let's start off with the 2021, and then, oh, how do I tap? Then the next one will be the 2022, then the next one will be the 2023, and then the 2024, and then Blue Valorant. And then free up, and then positive neon, Sam's Gone Wild, Messenger, I guess Boom. I'm trying to choose the most American ones, since I'm American myself. Firecrackers. No, firecrackers would not be good. Smoke bombs. No. Tubes. Oh yeah, I should do some of the tubes too, like Mixaplier, or Captain Sensible, or Camoed, or Septic Eye in the Sky, or PewDiePie, or PewDie, or Mr. Beats. Like, those are good ones. We have Serious Sam. Oh, that might not be good. Let's see. These are just props, so they're not gonna be too serious. Oh, and we'll do the Slammer. We'll do that a couple times. And then we'll back the cakes, firecrackers, stuff like that. Okay, so now, whoops, let's undo that. Tools. I've played this before. Trust me, I have. That's slow, medium, fast, instant. I think I'll go with fast. It's easy to connect them. You kind of just have to spin in a circle, connecting them all. And then run, I guess. This guy runs fast, so I'm gonna run to the end of the street here, where I'm gonna set off just a firecracker. We'll do lady fingers. Okay. Okay, let me get. So that's gonna pop. See? Should have done instant. That might have been cooler. But yeah, cool with that. Myself, just another one. I think I'll start off a Doom Boom. A couple of those while we wait. Oh, there it goes. Oops. So I think that's all. Not for us. God, that scared me. The doom booms are just no joke. Yeah, I cut Christmas trees out here, even though it's New Year. Cody's? Cody seems like it'd have a bunch of fireworks in it. And it does. Cody seems like the... we'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna place so many barrels of TNT in there. How's your guys' day been? Before we blow this up, we're really gonna blow it up. Dynamite. Put a lot of dynamite in there, get some grenades. And then, yeah, that'll work. You... there, and then run a little bit. We'll just be at the playground right here. Go to rockets, get a mob. Some of you might not know this, but a mob, the mob stands for Mother of All Bombs. So these missiles are pretty good. Trust me. Okay. Okay, that's scary. Oh, so you can go through and connect again. Okay. Now we run a bit further. And to about here, and then we get to, male toes, I guess. This time we'll use male toes. And then now what we do, now this is the fun part. Okay, there it goes. I see a lot of those going on. Yeah, so that's male toes. That's not good. So two of them launched into the sky. Holy smoke. Look at Cody. It's been flattened. I think that was a bit too much. It really flattened Cody's. Cody's was flattened. I wonder if, I wonder what happened to the convenience store. To the gas station. This is a gas station. The gas station didn't? Huh. The gas station didn't blow up. I'm surprised the gas station didn't blow up. but that's also a problem. I'm gonna get my physics tool. Let's go over there. There's the other door. Oh, there goes the tree, it's flying. It's flying! Oh god. I know you moved this. Gotta check every corner. Okay, drop it over. Oh god. That's not good. Usually not good when she's trying to do. What is this? That's a satellite ditch. I'm gonna get a mala. Get it rotated. Gotta right click, right. Yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna play Poppy Playtime 1, Chapter 1 again. And I'm doing that because I missed some secrets I found out from another YouTuber playing it, so. I'll have to watch it again before I film a video, because I have horrible memory. Oh, that's bad. That was bad. That was bad. Yeah, so there's actually like some lit over there. I'm running. Like I played so many. This. That's usually not good. Wonder when the gas things are gonna go off. Oh Lord. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god, what the heck? I wanna go this way instead. Yeah, not onto the floor. That's one thing about this game, you just get too glitched, it's just a fun floor. I'm surprised how those kind of flat. You get them all done. You get one too. Oh no. I thought that I didn't think the pot would actually light it. Run. That's down. That's... don't... Okay, it hadn't gone off yet. Yeah, the store is in shambles. The store's not ready to lock. And the roof. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a glasses pack. That's not supposed to be in the truck. I think I've flattened this town. Okay. Yeah. Blueprints? Oh, I forgot the specials. Carlos' son? And then my personal favorite, Tim. Let's launch these puppies into the sky. We'll go with him first. There goes Carl's son. See, not that cool compared to this. Compared to Tim. Look at Tim go. So that was Carl's spot. Longest boom. Okay, we gotta restart. What was that? Yeah, I don't know how long this video's been. Let me see really quick. Oh, only 16 minutes. We can go for another 4. So I'm going to pause. I'll see you guys when I cut back. Okay, I'm back. So I set up just a bunch of fireworks everywhere. And so these are kind of the YouTuber ones. I don't know him. I thought this was Camo Gaming, but now that I realize it, probably not. But I know Jacksepticeye, Mr. Beast, Captain Sauce, and Markiplier. Those I know because, well, I know these 3 because I watched them. I know of him because I've seen his YouTube channel, but never watched one of his videos. I'm just not a fan of Jacksepticeye. There's nothing against him. Oh, red snapper right there, by the way. I'll have to do them separately because you can't really tell. I'll do the other Yuri ones separately too. Yeah, there goes that one. While I wait for the other ones to go off, I heard something. That's not good. That was... I was so bright and loud. That's what these fireworks. My eyes hurt so badly. It's bright, loud. That's why I didn't talk, because I knew you guys wouldn't be able to hear me. Are you done? Can I? Okay, we're gonna watch these now. I just didn't talk because I knew you guys wouldn't be able to hear me. So these are the last ones, and then we'll do the YouTubers, and then the 2021 to 2024 fireworks. So let's see this one. Okay. I'll leave the that I know that I'm using their fireworks. I'll leave their links to their YouTube channel in the description. Because if I don't know the YouTuber, I can't leave a link. So I'll try my best, though. But I know these, so. Oh my gosh. It's it does fit Markiplier, I will say. Now the Mr. Beats. Let's see his. Oh. Okay. That's here. Beautiful. And then I think we have one last one. Yeah, also Jacksepticeye. I'm going for the middle one. Okay, so it's an eye, but hang on. I'm gonna be quiet for a second because I think I hear him going, "Ooh!" or something. Yeah, it definitely sounds like it. And it is cool. I like how the eye pops out. Okay. Now for the final four. And we'll do boom. Might as well. Actually, no, we can't. We gotta do the 2021. No, I don't want to do them twice. I didn't want to do it twice, but okay. The 2022. The 2023. And the 2024. Happy New Year's, y'all. I can't believe it's 2024 yet. There's gonna be 4 2024s. It just fits. Okay. Oh. You done? Okay, so just 2021. Nice. You done now? All done and over. Wait. That's dope. Now time for the 2022. Ah, 2022. That it? Okay. Nice. It's hard to see, but it is kind of cool. Now time for the 2023. Okay, that's pretty chaotic. Come on. And yeah, 2023. Now for this year's. 2024. Oh, that's dope. I love it. $2024. Okay. Well, we gotta end it with a boom. We're gonna end this with a boom, so... Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Love y'all, and peace out. Okay, well, I gotta say it again. Okay, well, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love y'all, and peace